this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and I have an easy slow cooker lasagna recipe for you today. You only need 4 ingredients, and you don't have to pre-boil the noodles, nor do you have to use those special no-boil noodles either. The noodles will cook as it cooks in the slow cooker. Let's get started and I'll show you how to make it.
You'll need 4 ingredients for this slow cooker lasagna. You'll need some ground beef, some mozzarella cheese, lasagna noodles, and some pasta sauce. And I make homemade pasta sauce, but you can use canned if you'd like. And so to the pan, we're going to add our ground beef and just cook it until it's all cooked through, no longer pink, and drain off the fat. And to the cooked ground beef, we're going to add the pasta sauce. Now I'm using homemade pasta sauce, but you can use canned sauce if you would like. And we're just going to mix the sauce with the meat and just simmer it just a little bit just to get it heated through. Add a layer of pasta sauce to the bottom of our slow cooker and spread it out. We want to have a buffer because we're not going to pre-cook the noodles, so the sauce in the bottom makes that buffer. And then we'll add our noodles. Now the noodles may not fit your slow cooker, so you might have to break them a little bit to make them fit, and just add a layer of noodles. And then after we get the noodles positioned, we'll add another layer of sauce. So you have sauce, noodles, and sauce again. Then we add the cheese. Yum! And you can add as little or as much cheese as you want. We don't like too much cheese. And then we're going to repeat the layers. More noodles, more sauce, more noodles, and we're going to end with sauce but not put any cheese on top right now. We're just going to go ahead and cook it until the noodles are softened. And here it is, so yummy looking. And now we're going to add the last layer of cheese. We're going to put the top back on and cook it for about 10-15 minutes until the cheese melts. And here is our finished lasagna. It looks so good. Nice soft layers of noodles with meat and pasta sauce. And it turns out so cheesy and delicious, just like you took all day to make it, but it was made in the slow cooker.
And that's how easy it is to make this slow cooker lasagna. And it is a frugal recipe too. If you use a half a pound of ground beef, it comes out to a little bit over $1 a serving. And if you use a full pound, it's about $1.50 a serving. So not bad at all. And if you want the printable recipe, just look for the link below in the description. And if you like this recipe and want to find other easy recipes, head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com, where you'll find lots of quick and easy recipes to make that your whole family will love. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.